make sure to report it to the IRS. But as soon as tax season ends, Tom Lee expects selling pressure to ease and cryptocurrencies to rebound. Melissa.
All right, thank you, Seema. Seema Modi back at headquarters. Well, Seema just detailed a number of different cryptocurrencies, but perhaps a simpler way of looking at it all, the Coinbase index. It's basically the Dow of the crypto.
I do think that active traders chase volatility, and as we talked about in the past, they chased asset classes. It went from equities to options to futures to now crypto. I do think crypto is still the most volatile asset class out there at the moment, and if you're an active trader, that's where you're going to be. But I think there's another big trend that's coming, which is it's maturing as an asset class, and now you're seeing investors come into crypto. Hence the index that we talked about the last time I was here, and then we also talked about the index fund that we've got going, and that I think you'll see more and more investors. You've seen more institutions in the space than ever before. It is maturing, and so I don't think it's just for the active trader.
So that, you mentioned the index fund, and that's something as you have.
Really interesting. It is one of the most volatile markets, cryptocurrencies. So it's not for the faint of heart. I think it's a great asset class to own, definitely to follow and cover. It's very entertaining. And my advice to you is before you put in a large sum of money, definitely get the experience. Don't rush into anything. And the best thing you can do is educate yourself, especially if you're down in this market and you're panicking over this downturn. I wouldn't worry. The tax season is going to pass by, and the people that needed their capital gains or had to pay off capital gains, that's over. And I do feel like we're set up for a bull run. And I don't like to be predictive, and I don't have a crystal ball. I can't predict the future, but I do have the feeling that once this part passes by, and really the news that we need to look for, which I've mentioned in previous videos, is that once these regulations are set in place and once we have more avenues for institutional money to come into the crypto space, that's when the bull market will begin. And in the beginning of the video, you see why the prices were down, and they're mentioning, once during this interview, that once a lot of these actively managed funds are available to large institutional investors, I do see our market cap growing rapidly before the end of the year, and I've made the prediction that we will hit a $1 trillion market cap by the end of 2018, but time will only tell. So let me know what you guys think. And on a side note, we did hit, or we're actually on our way, probably by when I produce this video, we hit 7,000 subscribers. So thank you very much, guys, for following this channel. And I hope to continue to make good content for you guys. Please leave your comments. I will definitely go through them, and I will try to produce better material. Thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you soon.